Hello everyone, it's me, Simian Dad, and as you can see, the cat likes sleeping on my freaking desk pad now, so there's like a billion hairs. Let's not forget about the Wii incident too. But today, we're gonna be taking an iPhone 6 and fixing it. It has a very broken screen. I guess I'll just stop yapping and begin because I want to do it quick. I guess. I need to unscrew the two dingus screws down here. Whoop. Whoop. That flew way fast. Get that out, now the screen. Can't just come out by prying my fingernails. Lift up the display. The screen has already been replaced once, I see. Now we need to swap the screw bits. And unscrew the little shield here. And of course, since it's freaking Apple, the screws are all gonna be different. That's why I don't fix them that often or at all. Also, I'm not disconnecting the battery because it's discharged completely. I haven't charged it in like a month almost. So happens to have a SIM card. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. And as for this, get out. Get back in. Now we get the new nugget of the display and transfer stuff from the display to the display. It's a missing. Someone's been in here. Like you gotta do this entire freaking thing of screws. If there's a million, why there has to be so many screws for freaking display replacement? Samsung's maybe a little bit more complicated, more difficult, but it's not as complicated. Just take out everything from the phone and just put a new frame of the screen on it. Easy. Yeah, you have to do engineering and whatnot. Oh boy, there's more screws. Go on top. Turbo low. And what I know is blade kind of has to be in there. I haven't fixed an iPhone 6 I'm going this from all the other things I have seen online. Okay. Okay, that goes with the home button. Now you want to transfer the stuff that goes on top, so you have to bend this stuff down. Hey, you're not going up here now. Not now. I know you wanted the fucking chicken, but it's frozen into brick. It needs to cool down. Of course, it's not for you, so okay. Why are you going to do forward stuff? Apple, why? This entire bit, and there still has to be bits additionally transferred. God damn it. Okay. This entire bit and this bit. Jesus, this is complicated. It goes in like this. You already got confused in this video. No, it's not that hard going to just now we have to remove this thingamabob. And put this entire thingamabob over here. How the hell do the cables go? this. It is this. Not jump on the table again. To slot this stuff in, because yeah, I don't want to dangle around. I want to run all over the place. Instead of screwing one here, I'll screw it to here. So the home button does the home button stuff better. Here, I may have screwed in that little too tight. It's like the switch Joy-Cons again. Yeah, it seems fine. So continue on with the shield. You will get it later, just go on now. And the reason why I'm reviewing this iPhone as well, because it came in a lot and I tested it and it had no iCloud lock, so this thing's actually worth something, at least. By the looks, we got all the stuff transferred to here, from here. Stickers. Like, right now we need to hook up all the crap. To the motherboard. Got them in the wrong order. It's the 3DS all over again. At least I don't have to mess with the hinge. This time around. Okay, this one here. What about this one? Now I see why this is so weird. There's a sticky thing that prevents this from being long. No, god damn it, ribbon cables, and why there's 4 of them for one thing? Okay, not one thing, but still. This is kinda ridiculous. Hey, I guess you just kind of do this. Guessed it. Let me bust out the freaking Microsoft display dock again. Use it to power things now. For reasons. And okay, Mr. Display. We got an Apple logo. And we have to wait. Hell yeah. Anyway, I'll see you later. At the end of the day, I'm basically putting this aside into the to repair bin because I can't restore it. Because the iTunes just keeps giving me errors over and over and over again. Like 9, 2009, 2005, 5, whatever it wants, basically. Maybe it's because I'm using a fake cable. The thing is, the fake cable is the only cable I have. I tried several ports on my PC, nothing happened, so... Can I finally repair the fucking iPhones without bricking them for once, or no?